everyone. So for today, let's have the part 2 of our review for summative test for grade 8 naman po. Okay, so again, this is not the exact test that you will have. It will serve as your reviewer lang po. Okay, number 1, what is the expanded form of x plus 4 squared? Okay, so square of binomial. So we have 3 steps. Square the first term, twice the product of the first and the second term. So just multiply it. 2 times 4 times x. So we got 8x. And then last term will be squared also. 4 squared, that will be 16. Okay, so our answer is letter B. Next, number 2, what is the expanded form of 2a minus 3 squared? Okay, so again, square the first term, twice the product of the first and the second. So 2 times 2, we got 4 times 3, negative 12a. Then square the product of the last term. Plus 3 squared, so that will be plus 9. Okay, so our answer, it's letter A. Next, find the product of y plus 5 and y minus 5. So sum and difference, square the first, and then square din yung 5. 5 squared. So we got y squared minus 25. Letter C. Okay, next, number 4. Expand n plus 2 cube. Okay, so we'll have here m cube. Okay, so we got plus 3m squared times 2. Lipat yung squared sa kabila. 3m, 2 squared. And then cube ulit yung ati last term. So we got 2 cube. So we got here m cube plus 6m squared. So 3 times 4, that will be 12m plus 8. Okay, so number 4, it's letter D. Okay, which expression is the square of a trinomial? Okay, square of trinomial, that will be letter B. 3 terms, tapos naka-square. Square trinomial. Next, expand x plus y, 1 squared. Okay, so we got here x squared plus y squared plus 1 plus 2 times xy plus 2 times x times 1. So that will be 2x. Then plus 2 times y times 1, 2y. X squared plus y squared plus 1 plus 2xy plus 2x plus 2y. Letter C. Next, number 7, which pattern is used to multiply a plus b and a minus b? Okay, so again, that one is sum and difference. So just square you at the first and the second. Got letter D. Okay, next, number 8. A square garden has side length of x plus 3 meters. What is its area? Okay, so agad kapag area po ng ati square ay side squared. So we have to square po yung ati x plus 3. So x squared plus 2 times 3, that is 6x plus 9. Okay, so number 8, that is letter C. Factor completely. Okay, so GCF of 6x plus 12, that will be 6. Just divide po. 6x divide 6x, 12 divide 6, that will be 2. Letter A. Next, number 10. Factor completely. X squared minus 36. So difference of binomial. So square root of x squared, that will be x square root of 36 is 6. So x plus 6 and x minus 6. Letter A. Factor completely. X squared plus 10x plus 25. So I think this is a perfect square. So square root of x, that will be x. Square root of 25, that will be 5. Then multiply 2 times 5, that will be 10x, which is the middle term. So square of perfect square, x plus 5 squared. Letter B. Okay, next, number 12. X cubed plus 8. Okay, so cube root of x cubed at cube root of 8. So this will be x. This will be 2. So we got x plus 2. Then x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so number 12, that will be letter C. Number 13, y cubed minus 27. So cube root of, this is cube root. cube root of y cube and cube root of 27. So we get y and 3. Okay, so again, we'll have y minus 3, then y squared plus 3y plus 9. Ayan, so kapag minus, minus, tapos plus po lahat yun nasa second factor. Okay, so number 13, it's letter D. 14x squared plus 7x plus 12. So factor of 12, that will give us 7x. So that will be 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. So this will be 3x plus 3 and x plus 4. Letter B. Next, number 15, factor completely 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So just multiply 2 times 3, that will be 12. So factor of 12, that will give us 7x. That will be 4 times 3 also. So we get 2x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 3. Factor. Yeah, so we get 2x. Sorry. So we get 2x plus 2. Then on the other side, we get 3. Then x plus 1. Wait, something's wrong with this. 2x plus 4x. Ay, this will be 3x plus 3. So we get 2x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 3. Sorry. It's 2 times 3 pala, sorry. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so this will be 6 and 1. Okay, so we get 2x squared. I multiplied it with 4. Sorry po. So 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 3. I thought it's 4. Okay, so we have to factor 2x. So we got 2x. So x plus 3 plus x plus 3. So this will be 2x plus 1, then x plus 3. There. It's letter A. Okay, next. A rectangle has area x squared plus 5x plus 6. Which pair can represent its dimension? Okay, so factor lang ulit. So again, factor of x squared plus 5x plus 6. So this will be 3 and 2. Letter D. Okay, solve by factory, x squared minus 9. So again, this will be x plus 3 and x minus 3. Equate nyo lang para sa 0. So x plus 3 equals 0. Tas isa x minus 3 equals 0. So this will be x equals negative 3 and x is equal to positive 3. Letter C. Next, simplify 12x over 18. So 12x over 18. So both numbers can be divided with 6. So just simplify it. So we get 2x over 3. Letter B. Next, number 19. Simplify x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. So again, just factor out mo na yung ating numerator. We got x plus 3, x minus 3 over x minus 3. So we can cancel this out. So what we have here is x plus 3. 20, what value is excluded from the domain? 5 over x minus 4. So we cannot have 0 po at our denominator. So we'll have here x should that be equal to positive 4. Letter D. Next, add 3 over x plus 1 plus 5 over x plus 1. So we have same denominator, so just add na yung ating numerator. 8 over x plus 1. So yung normal fraction natin, once that they are similar, you just need to add the numerator. 22, subtract 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2 minus 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. Ayan. So, just subtract na since similar fraction po siya. So, 5x minus 2x, we get 3x. Then, 2 minus negative 3, that will be positive 5. 3x plus 5 over x minus 1. Letter B. 23, find the LCD of 1 over x and 1 over x plus 2. So just multiply x and x plus 2. Letter D. Add 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 1. So just cross multiply x plus 1 plus x over x plus 1. So we get 2x plus 1 over x squared plus x, or plus x times x plus 1. Letter A. Simplify 2x plus 2 over x plus 1. So factor out 2x plus 2. So we get 2x plus 1 and x plus 1 cancel. A. Okay, there. So again, this, or just reviewer po, this will not be the exact exam that you will have. So good luck po on your review. I hope you'll pass your second summative. Thank you guys.